you first see the 2026 Honda Gold Wing GCT, you know right away that this is a machine designed to dominate the touring world. Honda has taken decades of experience building long-distance motorcycles and poured that knowledge into this new version. The Gold Wing has always been associated with comfort, reliability, and advanced technology, and the GCT carries that legacy forward with even more refinement. It's a motorcycle for people who don't just ride for an hour or two on weekends, but for those who want to cross states, countries, and continents in comfort while still enjoying the feel of a motorcycle. From a design standpoint, the GCT is unmistakable. The front fairing has a sharp, modern profile with integrated LED headlights that look aggressive yet elegant. The large electronically adjustable windscreen dominates the upper section, giving the rider control over airflow at the press of a button. Whether you need cooling air on a hot afternoon or full coverage during a storm, it adapts instantly. The side bodywork flows seamlessly into the saddlebags, and the trunk at the rear is shaped to be both aerodynamic and practical. Everything about the styling feels intentional, sleek enough to look modern, yet substantial enough to communicate strength and stability. Sitting on the bike reveals another level of attention to detail. The seat is designed for hours of continuous riding, with deep padding and a shape that supports both the lower back and thighs. The passenger accommodation is even more impressive, with a tall backrest, grab handles, and space to truly relax rather than simply perch. It's one of the few motorcycles where a passenger feels just as comfortable as the rider. The cockpit ahead of you blends classic analog gauges with a crisp, full-color display. That display controls navigation, music, phone integration, and system settings. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the interface is smooth and intuitive. Audio quality is strong thanks to a premium speaker setup that remains clear even at highway speeds. Small touches, like backlit controls and smartly placed buttons, make the rider's life easier. Performance comes from Honda's proven 1833cc flat-six engine. This horizontally opposed layout keeps the center of gravity low, which is essential in a touring bike of this size. The engine produces broad, usable torque that pulls strongly from low revs. It doesn't shout, instead, it delivers a refined wave of power that feels effortless no matter the load. Whether you're riding solo, carrying a passenger, or loading up the luggage, it has more than enough strength to handle the task. The sound of the engine is smooth and pleasant, a muted growl rather than an intrusive roar, which suits its long-distance role perfectly. Transmission options make the bike versatile for different riders. Traditionalists will appreciate the 6-speed manual gearbox, while many will opt for Honda's dual-clutch transmission. The GCT transforms the riding experience by offering seamless automatic shifting while still giving the option of manual control through handlebar-mounted buttons. In stop-and-go traffic or when navigating urban environments, it removes the stress of constant clutch work. On long stretches of highway, it keeps the ride smooth and efficient. Handling has long been a challenge for heavy touring motorcycles, but Honda has addressed this with innovative engineering. The double wishbone front suspension is a standout feature. It keeps steering light, reduces front-end dive during braking, and provides a more composed feel in corners. Combined with the electronically adjustable rear suspension, the GCT adapts to different loads and road conditions. Whether you're cruising on smooth highways or navigating uneven mountain roads, it feels planted and controlled. Despite its size, it inspires confidence once you're moving. Braking is equally advanced. Large discs front and rear provide strong stopping power, supported by anti-lock brakes, traction control, and other electronic safety aids. The GCT also includes a reverse function, a practical necessity for maneuvering a machine of this weight in tight spaces. Hill Start Assist prevents rollback on inclines, giving riders confidence even in tricky situations. Touring is all about comfort and convenience, and the GCT excels here. Heated grips and seats extend the riding season well into colder months. The windscreen, adjustable with a simple switch, ensures customizable wind protection. The saddlebags and trunk provide ample storage capacity for helmets, clothing, and travel gear, with weatherproofing to keep everything dry. Inside the luggage, power outlets and USB ports allow riders to charge phones, cameras, or other devices on the go. Technology extends beyond comfort features. Multiple ride modes let you tailor the engine response and traction control to suit conditions. On a rainy day, you can select a softer throttle map with more intervention. On a clear highway, you can switch to a sharper mode for quicker response. Lighting is full LED, improving visibility both for the rider and for other road users. Navigation integrates directly into the dash, with clear maps and voice prompts that can be piped through the